kind of hysterical. Found a space and time in the Holocene. Make believe, yeah. Cut our teeth chasing the weekend. Capsize and fall in the deep end. All aligned behind the pretense now. How are we supposed to know it all adds up when you let down? Where are we supposed to go from here? We're too far gone to turn back now. It's all for one lost in the crowd. And nothing if it disappears. They're just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement, noise in the basement. Just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement. Yeah, yeah. Just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement, noise in the basement. Just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement. Yeah, yeah. Telephone girls from the main street. On the left the sounds are connecting. Trying to see the future and what they seeing us now. One against the predictability. Hit the road, 18 on 83. Some are lost, some are found, the world is shrinking down. How are we supposed to know it all adds up when you let go? Where are we supposed to go from here? We're too far gone to turn back now. It's all for one lost in the crowd. And all for nothing if it disappears. They're just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement, noise in the basement. Just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement. Yeah, yeah. Just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement, noise in the basement. Just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement. They're just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement, noise in the basement. Just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement. Yeah, yeah. Just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement, noise in the basement. Just stupid boys making basement noise in the basement. Yeah, yeah.
Nope.
Sorry, I put my head on your ass and my head on your
I was still drinking my vodka, dude.
Hi.
I still was drinking my vodka.
Okay, so now that we have a second to pause, now that everything came off the rails, finally. So far it's been going pretty fucking good. But now that it all derailed violently, I have a minute to explain. We have not had a chance to really run this show because we've been on tour supporting Avril Lavigne for the last few weeks. So this whole concept was kind of just, it was a dream, like I said earlier, and we didn't really get to do it in practice. We went through it up in a room yesterday, and it sort of seemed like it was all going to plan. But before we continue on tonight, I need to explain to you all, there are so many fucking moving parts to this show, and this is the kind of show that typically you would rehearse for like 2 weeks somewhere, and instead we said, fuck it, we'll do it live. Right?
To be honest,
Because in the 20 years we've been a band, that's pretty much the all-time low way. It's kind of how we do things around here.
to be honest, I cannot fucking believe we got this far into this
Dude,
band.
I know. So what I was gonna say, off the back of all of that, is as you've seen, our crew, the people who travel with us, the people that make this show possible, and also the venue, the local crew, everybody involved in making this shit happen tonight, need to hear the loudest fucking round of applause right now. Because goddamn.
The song was starting and I was pouring White Claw in my cup. I was, oh shit.
So when we started that, there were clearly a few things that weren't in the right keys, the right tunings, and a lot of the drum kit wasn't plugged in. We were this close. We were this close. But I think we're there now, right? Are we in? Is everyone in? Are we all in the same key?
The vodka is in the cup. The vodka is in the cup.
All right. Let's try it again. This song's called Sick Little Games.
I'm turned on by the tabloids, you would never have guessed. I'm a sucker for the gossip, man, I take it too far. I bottle up my Hollywood and watch a name that gets out to car. You're finding me out, I'm having my doubts. I'm losing the best of me, singing loud. We're all part of the same sick little games. And I need to get away, get away. I'm wasting my days, I throw them away, losing it all on these sick little games. I fell in love, she was the friend of a sister, or somebody famous, at least for a day. Expensive habits and it takes for the town, had me chasing down red carpets and watching all my friends slip away. You're finding me out, I'm having my doubts, I'm losing the best of me. Come on! Dressed up as myself to live in the shadow of who I'm supposed to be. Sing it loud. We're all part of the same sick little games. I need to get away, get away. I'm wasting my days, I throw them away, losing it all on these sick little games. If I play my cards right, I could make a bit time. I could be a reason to stay. Caught up in the spotlight, shaking from the stage fright. How did I end up there? Singing. We're all part of the same sick little games, and I need to get away. We're all part of the same sick little games. I need to get away, away. I'm wasting my days, I throw them away, losing it all on these sick little games. Part of the same sick little games, and I need to get away.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Holy shit.